Hello everyone, and welcome back to what is, I think, part 3 of our little series relating to the repairs that we're doing to our new TVR 280S. Okay, so today we're going to have a little look under the car. We've done a repair to the exhaust. We'll show you what we've done. Okay, so what was happening, those brackets, well, they're new brackets now, but the brackets that were on there, the threaded ends were facing generally downwards and were grounding out on the road surface. So we've bought some new brackets and put them on. These pipes that are on the vehicle are off of V8S. The brackets that we've got are not the best brackets, to be fair. Some of the guys and girls on the TVR forums have pointed me to some better brackets, which we're going to buy. But these will do for now, and these will stop the exhaust grounding out. What I have noticed though is the exhaust is fouling the sump pan of the engine. Now, in my view, I think that sump pan is not going to last very long if it carries on like that. So I need to figure out why that is happening. Is that because it's a non-standard exhaust, the rear pipes, or is it something else? Now, one of the forum members has pointed out to me that it may be that the engine mountings are not as good as they used to be, let's say. They might have weakened over time, so I need to have a close look at the engine mountings to see if that's allowed the engine to drop down. So I might pop up to the engine bay now. Let's see if we can have a look, but looking at the comments that I've received, it's going to be a pretty awful job to do by the sounds of it. Okay, so this is looking at the offside, the right hand engine mounting. Now, to me, it looks as though that may be a little compressed. It looks as though it's lost some of its strength. See if I can get in a little bit better. Can't really. Yeah, can't really get a good shot. Yeah, it looks as though it's been compressed. So I think we do need to buy a couple of engine mountings by the looks of it. That should then hopefully raise the engine slightly. I think we only need about, well, a few millimeters to clear the exhaust. So yeah, I need to get some of those ordered, I think. Okay, and this is the near side. I can't really get my fingers down there, but it looks as though the nut is loose on the engine mounting. So I need to have a closer look at that to see if that is the case. And that's about as good a shot as I'm going to get of the near side rubber. And to me, that looks as though it has perished. It looks to be quite a step there to me between the bracket and the rubber. Be interested in your views on that. If you want to leave your comments down below, please. Okay, so that's it for today. A little short video. Hope you're enjoying what we're doing, and if you are, please subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you all soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.